What you doing now, Dave?
Reluctantly making I'm making Dave's world famous chili. And it's world famous in Dave's world. So therefore it's Dave's world famous chili. Did you get all that?
Uh-huh. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. And what are you going to be putting in your chili?
Well, first I diced up a half a large onion, sweet onion, half of a green pepper. Now I'm dicing up about half of a yellow sweet pepper. And
Now, somebody requested that you disclose your recipe.
Yes. So here it is. Now I'll take all this and I'll put it in the pot along with my ground beef to cook.
How much ground beef are you using?
About a pound and a half, pound and a quarter, somewhere in there.
You like yours meaty.
I like it meaty. So I'll push this in here. Already got the ground beef a little bit cooked. So.
And you're going to leave the ground beef fat juice.
Leave it all in there. Yep, that's 80-20. I like it for the flavor. And I put the onions and the green peppers in there, and then we'll cook them down a little bit. As soon as my professional stove here catches up.
In the meantime, do you want to show us the other ingredients?
Sure. 2 cans of light red kidney beans. And I've got 1 can of petite diced tomatoes. Can of Campbell soup.
What kind?
Tomato.
Oh. Gives a little sweet to it, though.
Yep. And some Heinz chili sauce.
And the main ingredient for seasoning is?
WoW's Badass Seasoning. Marthat StewFart's Chili Seasoning. Available on WattsOnWheels.info.
And how much of that are you going to use?
I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
We'll see from there. Might need a little more. Maybe not. There she is. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow, we're sitting over here staring at ingredients.
By the way, Dave, how's your ankle?
I've been booted.
How's that working for you?
Well, that works pretty good. But, the height difference between the boot and a regular shoe is now messing with my hips.
Oh, because you're walking with the tennis shoe on and with the boot. Yeah.
With that boot. And
well, you're not walking more than you really have to.
So by the time my heel gets, or my ankle gets healed up, I ought to be a mess in my back and my hips. So, and then by that time, then it'll do something to my ankle again, and it'll just be the vicious circle.
So you've been working with it, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Just kind of
Hey, the wife won't let me sit down and heal properly.
Yeah. You have been working on the electrical.
I have.
And we've got these lights temporarily up here right now, checking them out and seeing if we like where they're at. And yeah, it's been doing that, but other than that, you've been resting, and I've been still icing it and wrapping it with ace bandages when you're giving it a breather.
Yes.
But it's getting better, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting better. I think we're about ready for the rest of the
ingredients.
Yeah. All right. First of all, I like to drain and rinse my kidney beans. Okay, the beans go in. And can of soup, tomato. Oh, they're not petite diced, they're just diced. Uh-oh.
You like petite diced?
I do. And Heinz chili sauce.
Will you add salt and pepper to taste later on?
Later on.
The WoW Badass Martha StewFart chili seasoning in now, though, right?
Yep. And to get that out of there, I put a little water in the bottle. There we go. Now the secret ingredient. The WoW Martha StewFart Badass Seasoning Chili Mix. Oh yeah. There it goes. Now that isn't even cooked up at all yet. I just put it all in the pot.
The flavor is really good.
Already off.
Oh, that's going to be really good.
Off the chain.
Put a lid on it?
Put a lid on it and put it on low. One more sampling, real quick. That'll be it.
Cover it and...
Cover it and we'll put it on low for a while.
How long's a while?
And leave it on there for about maybe an hour. Come back to see what it tastes like.
All right. How's it going?
Well, I need a little bit more spice in there, so we're going to put another 2 tablespoons.
Martha StewFarts.
Martha StewFart. Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try it out. It looks really good. Smells great. Dave's world famous. It would become world famous if everybody got to taste it. It's really good.
I told you it's famous in Dave's world.
I know.
It's world famous.
You're famous in your
Dave's
own world.
world famous.
That's really good, Dave.
Well, that's voodoo medicine there, boy. Oh, yeah.
And that chili powder is really good. Like if you're cooking up some ground beef and you put some of that chili powder in it and a little ketchup, you got yourself a really good coney sauce then to put on hot dogs.
Yeah, coney chili.
And remember that one time we took corn on the cob, we smeared it with mayonnaise, and then we sprinkled Martha StewFart's seasoning on it, wrapped it in foil, stuck it on the grill, and it kind of made that Mexican corn. That was really good.
Corn, yeah.
You can use that chili seasoning for a lot of stuff.
Gotta have butter. Gotta have bread with my chili.
Don't you want crackers?
Bread. I'm a bread man.
Oh, okay. We thank you for sharing your top secret chili recipe.
I had to, I guess. The world was clamoring. They were talking about war and all that stuff. I had to do something.
Good job, Dave.
Thank you.
Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.